Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check stories on Instagram. So for this you will have to just open the Instagram app on this Android device. So when it's completely open, you will see in the top this is story section where you can see the story of your friends and your followers. You can see you can only see the story when you open the profile of user, and you can also directly open the story from now. So Instagram has easily provided. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.